Jivitan, Vaidya, you are calling me. Again, Jivitan, you are calling me. Okay, session started. Are you? Are you ready? The session will be a super fast session. You people have to answer as fast as possible. Ashwita, inform everyone. Within few minutes, we are going to start. I think we started and your time starts now. The first question, what is the first question here is, which of the following is incorrect statement? Which of the following is incorrect? Organism grow with time. Organism must repair and maintain their structure. Movement of molecule does not takes place along cells. No, movement of molecules takes place along cells. So there's one answer. We'll go with the next one. Autotrophic organisms include
all green plants and some bacteria.
green plants and some bacteria. We'll go with the next question. Which of the following statement about the autotrophs are incorrect? Question please. Which of the following statement about the autotrophs is incorrect? They convert carbon dioxide and water into carbohydrate in the absence of sunlight. They can't do like that. Next question. The autotrophic mode of nutrition requires all of this. Carbon dioxide, water, chlorophyll and sunlight. We'll go for the next one. The internal energy reservoir in autotrophs is glycogen, starch, protein or fatty acid. Inform everyone to join as fast as possible. Hey, online students, only Ashwita is answering the questions. Vasant, Veda, inform to Veda beta. Very good. Vasant has given the answer. Option is C. Now we will be checking this part. What is the correct answer? Starch. Now next question, and your time starts now. You check the bit. No, don't do like that. Which is the most accurate answer you need to check? Carbon dioxide 12, chlorophyll, sunlight, what do you call it? Glucose. Correct? We'll go for the next one. Yes, the answer is written. So choose the event that does not occur in photosynthesis. Absorption of light energy by chlorophyll, reduction of carbon dioxide to carbohydrate, oxidation of carbon to carbon dioxide. So which one is the correct answer? C. We'll go for the next one. Go for this one. The site of photosynthesis in the cell of leaf is chloroplast, cytoplasm. Which one? Chloroplast. These are easy questions. Now come on, go for this one. Which one is correct? They are telling that in photosynthesis, the substances which are used up as produced, which are necessary to remain unchanged. What is the correct answer? Water. Used up is water. Produced is Remain unchanged is chlorophyll. Very good. We'll go for the next question. What is the final product of photosynthesis? The final product of photosynthesis is starch. So these level questions are easy. We'll go for this. Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from water, chlorophyll, carbon dioxide or glucose.
Water.
Oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from where?
Water.
It is coming from water. It is coming from what? Water. Because water is getting reduced. Yesterday night we have studied now. Water will get reduced. Today night class is there. Metals, non-metals. Yeah, ma. Today metals, non-metals are there. No relaxation. Tomorrow? So what? Can I host flag on your head? Who? To whom? Me. I have already informed class started. Where are the items? Now look at oxygen liberated during photosynthesis comes from water. We'll go for the next one. Come on, go for it. This one answer. See, here it is D written, but you need to check this one out. Please. The diagram shows the arrangement of cell inside the leaf of green plant. Understood? Last class, I discussed about mesophyll layer. So 2 and 3 will be what? Mesophyll layer. But what they are telling, no cells contain tasome. Which cell normally contains chloroplast? So definitely we know that this cells will be consisting, second part will be consisting chloroplast. If 3 you are seeing, it is vacant place. Vacant places are not having chloroplast. The fourth one, this is also having chloroplast. Fourth part, so 2 and 4. See, because, see, yeah, open segment in the bottom sections also they will be having what? Chloroplast. Understood? Now we'll go for the next question. A plant is kept in dark for 2 days. A leaf is used in an experiment to investigate the effect of two-factor synthesis. See, that experiment I have discussed, very important. I have discussed, say, what out. So, very important part, we have already discussed that experiment. In that, you might have heard that 2 to 3 days we have to take a plant. Can you ask 2 to 3 days we have to take a plant inside dark. After that, in the dark, after staying for 2 to 3 days, when the whole starch of the leaf will be exactly used up, then we are putting one cellophane paper or one black what you call sellotape, and then we are taking out the leaf, and we are taking out the leaf for how leaf with the plant for how many days? 2 to 3 days. Again, this time after using 2 to 3 days, after wrapping the leaf, you can ask the doubt. If I will give you the subject means I will answer. So the leaf will be exactly having one region cover up. So this region cover up leaf will be exactly exposed to sunlight for 2 to 3 days. After that, we are taking it out. First, what we are putting it in? Alcohol. Mild boiling. After that, cleaning, and then we are putting it into alcohol. What is the work of alcohol? Alcohol will remove most of the alcohol will remove what? Most of the chlorophyll alcohol will remove. After that, we are drying it. After that, alcohol bath we are giving. After drying it, what we are doing? We are putting it in iodine solution. Then we are seeing that the other part of the leaf will be blue-black color, but that part will be faded. Why? Because photosynthesis has not been done. Because chlorophyll is there, but photosynthesis has not been done. Why? Because what was missing there? Sunlight. Understood the green pigment part. So here, what is the question? Look here. And another thing is that if you are taking to check the carbon dioxide usage, because KOH, what? Potassium hydroxide. So here, potassium hydroxide will absorb extra carbon dioxide. And when potassium hydroxide will absorb extra carbon dioxide, that particular moment, beta, what will happen? The sleep will again no photosynthesis will happen. And since in absence of photosynthesis, what will happen, beta? Again, it will not show that green pigment. The blue-black color for iodine solution. It will not be showing that test. Understood or not? Now, what question they are asking? Investigation question is, what are the color of Q and R? Q section and R section color. This section is Q and this section is R. Blue black color, brown color, blue black color, brown color. What is the expected color, beta? What is the color of?
Brown.
Huh?
Blue black. Blue black. Blue black. Blue black. Okay. We know.
First they are asking Q. Everyone please start answering. First they are asking Q.
D. Brown.
First they are asking Q. So we need to answer Q.
D.
Brown is Q part. And blue black is
R.
R. Understood? Blue black color really because they are undergoing photosynthesis. This part is exposed to sunlight. See, the part which is not exposed to sunlight is this. So this will get converted into brown color. But these two will get converted into blue black. So these two will get converted into blue black and that part will get converted into brown color. Understood? or not? From which structure the free oxygen gas produced during photosynthesis is released? Stomata or guard cell? I don't want anybody please answer the question 14 because this is a diplomatic question. Stomata is the opening. Stomata is the opening and guard cells are responsible for opening. So the correct answer is stomata. Guard cells, no question. See, guard cell will not be the correct answer. Why? Because guard cells are responsible for. Just 1 minute. Guard cells are responsible for what? Guard cells are responsible for opening of stomatal pore. And stomatal pore is an opening which will exchange gases. Stomatal pore is opening which will exchange gases. The opening and closing of stomatal pore depends upon water in guard cell concentration. Understood or not? Now I'll go for the next one. Go for this one. Which of the following structure is involved in gases exchange in rotary steps? Sanjay, can you give the answer for this? Vishwa, what is the correct answer for this one? For stomata, lenticles, guard cells or epidermis? The correct answer is lenticles. Lenticles, why is the correct answer is lenticles? You need to understand that the lenticles are the woody portions and the fine openings. The small pores in the stem sections where that is exactly called as what? Lenticles, through which this only gases exchange takes place. We'll go for this one. Come on, go for it. We answer this one, but we have to check this one out. Because I need to discuss this question. This is an important question. NCERT example question is this one example. CBSE example set questions. Now look at choose the form in which most plants absorb nitrogen. Protein direct, the plant will not absorb nitrogen. They will never absorb nitrogen directly. Then how they are absorbing? Nitrates and nitrites. Urea, atmospheric nitrogen also not. These two they will not do, only in the form of nitrates and nitrites. And yesterday we were discussing about rhizobiums now. The rhizobiums are taking atmospheric nitrogen and converting it into nitrates and nitrites. This is that example. Understood or not? So nitrates and nitrites are exactly converted from atmospheric nitrogen. Understood? And our body also, when it will decompose now, it will convert it into the same product and they will be again replenished into the soil. Understood? So what are the examples? Nitrates and nitrites. Don't confuse about it. What is the example? Nitrates and nitrites. Now this is amoeba, no need to check. Holozoic mode of nutrition. Now what is the mode of nutrition in fungi? That is called as saprophytic. Autotrophic, no. It comes under heterotrophic. And under heterotrophic, what it is? Saprophytic. Under heterotrophic is saprophytic. Now come on, go for question number 20. We reached 20 questions in 40 minutes. Yes. 40 minutes, 20 questions. 1, in that 3-4 minutes we have wasted. 10 minutes, 20 seconds. What is heterotroph? Do not synthesize their own food. Absolute. Heterotroph utilize solar energy. Which of the statement is correct? Heterotrophs are capable of converting carbon dioxide and this. No. Heterotrophs synthesize their food. No. Heterotrophs utilize solar energy. No. The correct answer is A. And your time starts now for the next question. Total 99 questions are there. Right now in 22nd page you are. Which of the following group of organisms food material is broken down outside the body? Mushroom, green plant or amoeba? Yeast, mushroom, bread mold, paramecium, amoeba, cascata, lice, tapeworm. Hey, cascata, lice and tapeworms are parasites. Cascata, lice and tapeworms are parasites. Paramecium, amoeba and cascata, what are they? What are they? Paramecium, amoeba and Sanjay. Mushroom, green plant and amoeba. What are they? Green plants, autotrophs. Amoeba is holozoid. So is this answer correct? No. They're telling outside body, yeast, mushroom and red mud. Yesterday I took the name of yeast now. So you people were telling yeast is also one of the examples of saprophytic and saprotrophic mode of nutrition. Understood? Everyone start doing this question please. The correct answer is B. See, for A and B, both are absolutely correct. Till here it is correct. Listen, till here it is correct. These two are correct. Same. But for third one, parasite, it is leech. So A is correct answer. This will become wrong. The correct answer will become B. Amoeba is digestive. See, I told you yesterday, at the time of having revision, I told you the amoeba question they are asking. So in amoeba, the digestion is intracellular because of amoeba is unicellular. Amoeba is multicellular. Amoeba is found in pond. Amoeba is microscopic animal. Amoeba is digestive intracellular because of they are unicellular organisms. Very good. We'll go for next question. Temporary finger-like extension, that is called as pseudopodia. Hey, yesterday I talked about flagella and cilia. What cilia helps for? Hair-like is cilia.
Which helps in the movement of an organism.
Cilia is doing two things. Cilia will help the food particles to reach towards the mouth, and cilia will help in movement. Flagella also. Flagella, one hair I told you, no? That day you told Chota Bheem, Brinjal, Chota Bheem, Brinjal, whatever. It will have exactly what? It help in locomotion. It help in what? Locomotion. Now here, which of the order of this event in human nutrition? First, digestion or ingestion? Ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and last one is digestion. Next, which of the following first enzyme to mix with blood in digestive tract? Amylase, because it is obtained from saliva. So since it is obtained from saliva, amylase is the first enzyme, biocatalytic enzyme. Now digestion of starch starts from mouth. Where is that? Mouth. Because partially breaking will be done in mouth. Digestion of food in human starts from? No. Mouth is there, protein synthesis starts in small intestine. Now go for this one. Only two answers are possible. Please kindly check this one out. Once you can email that. What is the correct answer, beta? 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Are you sure about it? It is 1 and 2. Check this one out now. Amylase break down large starch molecule into smaller maltose molecule. Hey, that A1 is correct. Chewing increases the surface area of food for digestion. Correct. Saliva emulsifies fats into air. Saliva cannot do this. Emulsifies fats into smaller droplets. That is not. That is bile juice is absolutely correct. Third, teeth break up large insoluble molecule into smaller soluble molecule. They are breaking into insoluble insoluble to soluble? No. First and second is the correct answer. So first and second is A. So I hope how many of you have given the answer as A? This is 29th question. How many of you have given the answer as A? A correct? Can you Ishrat inform? Ishrat is not present in room. Ishrat is there? A is our correct answer. This is B already written. A few drops of iodine solution were added to rice water. The solution turned blue-black in color. This indicates the rice water is having starch. So now we will go for this one. The part of digestive system where no digestion takes place. See, mouth digestion takes place. Stomach also. Esophagus is the reason. That is, esophagus is what? Esophagus is passage. Esophagus is what? Passage. It will not allow. Esophagus is passage and it will definitely not allow digestion. Esophagus is having peristaltic movement. Now, stomach, the moment it will reach stomach, from there only digestion start. Mouth digestion will have food pipe esophagus because the entire section is called as alimentary canal. The entire section is called as alimentary canal. The contraction and expansion of movement of ball is called as peristaltic movement. Understood? Next is this one. Go for it. Mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine and large intestine. D is the correct answer. Come on, go for 34. Absolutely correct, all of you. We'll go for next one. In salivary amylase is lacking in the saliva. Which of the following event in the mouth cavity will be affected? A. In mouth cavity, what effect? Protein breaking down into amino acid will not be affected. Starch breaking down into sugar. Fats breaking down into fatty acid as C. Starch breaking down into sugar. Because starch breaking down into sugar is one of the most important parts. Are you understanding? Because saliva helps in carbohydrate and sugar digestion. Understood? The inner lining of the stomach is protected by one of the pepsin, saliva. A. The correct answer is mucus. What is the correct thing here is mucus. Mucus is the correct answer. Can we go ahead? Boys, solve this question. Which of the following are chiefly digested in stomach? Protein is the correct answer. The exit of food from the stomach is regulated by sphincter muscle. It is regulated by sphincter muscle. Come on, answer this question 38. Answer the question 38, please. Boys, can you, Sanjay, you can talk afterwards also. Please, can you do this? When a person eats some egg white, protein and water, it enters the stomach. Which substance are found leaving the stomach and reaching the small intestine? Stomach, what will leave? Amino acid and water it will leave? C. Or protein and water? C. Fatty acid and glycerol will leave the small intestine. How many of you are correct? C. Protein digestion will take place in? Entire protein digestion takes place? Your online children are having different to say. Online children are telling 37th or 38? 38, what is the answer? Still people are giving different answers. Think nicely. Who is giving the answer? See, one bigger mistake you people are doing, from small intestine now, only water and unwanted waste will come out to large intestine. The digested food particles are absorbed in small intestine. So here, what is the correct answer is कि when a person, so look at leaving the stomach means protein, amino acid, and water. So this will go to small intestine, and then only water will be released. So option is D correct answer. Note down everyone. Yes, those who said D is the correct answer, they are correct. Everyone do it. D is the correct answer. Ashwita, absolutely correct. C. Nice, very good. Anything else you have to talk? That also you talk. Everyone, please pay attention. Everyone, please check this one out. So when amino acid, the protein, amino acid, and water, it will be releasing the stomach, and then when it will be coming out, it will come out as water. We'll go with now in 26 minutes. How many questions you have done? Which of the following has the longest small intestine? Herbivorous will have longest small intestine. Solve this question. Which of the following? Secreted by liver and stored in bile. CBSE related concept. Which of the digestion and absorption of food takes place? Digestion and absorption of food takes place in small intestine. Now a gland not associated with alimentary canal, adrenal gland, because it is located in kidneys. Villi present in the internal wall of the intestine help in emulsification of fats? No. Breakdown of protein? No. Absorption of digested food. Absorption of digested food. So what is the work of villi? Absorption of digested food. We'll go for this question, please. Now look here. Which part of alimentary canal receives bile from liver? Why there is a confusion? Which part of alimentary canal receives bile juice from liver? It is the small intestine. See, in small intestine, duodenum is the region. Duodenum is the region which is receiving. Go for this question. Which part of alimentary canal food is finally digested? Small intestine. Hello? So choose the function of pancreatic juice from the following. Trypsin, digested protein and lipase, carbohydrate. Trypsin, digested emulsified fats and lipase, protein. Trypsin and lipase, digested fats. Trypsin. The correct answer is trypsin, digest protein, lipase, emulsified fats. Go for this question. Which of the following statement is not correct? Pyruvate can be converted into ethanol and fermentation takes place in aerobic bacteria. This is a very important part. Come on, check from here the question. Till that section you people answered. Now pyruvate, pyruvic acid. Fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration. Is it true?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
क्या Which of the following statements are not correct? Come on, say. Pyruvate can be converted into ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast. Next, fermentation takes place in anaerobic bacteria. Eh, fermentation takes place in mitochondria. See, first thing, boys. First, you people are not in mood to study this. Inform me directly. We finished 57 questions. Now look here. Fermentation takes place in mitochondria is wrong. Fermentation takes place in anaerobic bacteria. Fermentation takes place in aerobic bacteria. Fermentation takes place in anaerobic respiration. Which one is correct? C is correct. One and four. Fermentation is a form of anaerobic respiration. Pyruvate can be converted to ethanol and carbon dioxide by yeast. Understood? Come on, go for it. See the word, the correct sequence of anaerobic respiration in yeast. Glucose. See first glucose. Whenever the food particle is entering inside the digested food particle in glucose, anaerobic in absence of oxygen in cytoplasm, the breakdown happens. It will get converted to pyruvic acid. Understood or not? That pyruvate or pyruvic acid will go inside mitochondria. There, in absence of oxygen, it will make ethanol and carbon dioxide or lactic acid. But here, one question is there. The correct sequence in anaerobic respiration in yeast. The correct sequence in anaerobic respiration in yeast they are asking. So which one? Yeast will not form lactic acid. Lactic acid will be generated in muscles when you will be doing exercise, excessive exercise. Are you all understanding? Vishwa. So where is the correct answer? Ethanol, this part or this part? A will have mitochondria. Yeast is having mitochondria. Yeast is having mitochondria. Tell me. Veda, tell the answer. They are telling no. Come on, give the correct answer. Boys, question number 58. Who and all are telling the correct answer? Okay, let's see. See, this is not correct and this is not correct. Now, these two options are only possible. Glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, cytoplasm, ethanol and carbon dioxide. This mitochondria will not be there in yeast. Understood or not? It's small things. Those who said A, online Veda, Ashwita, Kritika, they were continuously telling option D. See, here mitochondria, you need to check. Yeast do not have mitochondria, yeah. Then it will have the same process as human will have. The breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide of water energy is taking place where? The breakdown of pyruvate. Pyruvate breakdown. You only say. The correct? Okay, fine. You people shouted now. I'll say one thing. When the food particle will go in cytoplasm, In that, the breakdown of food particle will give you pyruvate. Understood? The pyruvate will go in mitochondria, and there the breakdown of pyruvate will happen. So pyruvate will break down under Krebs cycle in mitochondria. That has to be remembered. So here the correct answer will be the breakdown of pyruvate to give carbon dioxide and water will be done in mitochondria. It will not be done in cytoplasm. So Sanjay and backside people were correct. Front side, please check this one out. Now go for this question number 60 and your time starts now. B is not the correct answer. A is also not the correct answer. You need to say the correct answer. See, you need to, I'll tell A. Whatever I'm saying is all A, B, C, D, all ma'am. Anyone will become the answer. See, which of the following substances are produced by anaerobic respiration? Carbon dioxide? Yes. Alcohol, anaerobic respiration? Yes. A. Carbon dioxide. Which of the following in yeast they are said? In yeast, ethanol, carbon dioxide will be there. Alcohol and carbon dioxide. In yeast, alcohol and water. In yeast, what will be obtained? Alcohol. Alcohol is ethanol and carbon dioxide. Lactic acid and water will be in muscles. So correct answer is A. CBSE 2020 question. Say. Anaerobic process takes place in yeast during fermentation. Correct? Don't do mistake in this one. Aerobic respiration they are asking. Aerobic respiration. Glucose, cytoplasm, pyruvate, energy, mitochondria, this one. So option is B. Next. Next, go for it. During deficiency of oxygen in tissues of human being, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid in
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, for
C. The most important answer here is during deficiency of oxygen in tissue of human beings, pyruvic acid is converted into lactic acid in cytoplasm. It will not reach mitochondria. It will be done where? In cytoplasm. Go for this question, please. Lack of oxygen in muscles often lead to cramps among cricketers. This is caused due to conversion of pyruvate to lactic acid. This question. Name the substance whose build up in the muscle during vigorous physical activity. Lactic acid and energy. During vigorous physical exercise, lactic acid is formed from glucose. So there is lack of oxygen. What is the option here? Alveoli increases substance. What question is there? Which of the following statement is true about respiration? During inhalation, ribs moves inward and diaphragm raised. No. Diaphragm will push down. Ribs will go outside. So, in the alveoli, exchange of gases takes place. Oxygen from alveolar air diffuses into blood, and carbon dioxide from blood into alveolar air. Hemoglobin has greater affinity to carbon dioxide than oxygen. So what is the correct answer? Alveoli increase surface area for exchange of fourth one is correct. So wherever fourth one is correct, fourth and one. Fourth and one or fourth and two? Fourth and two. That is in alveoli exchange of gases takes fourth and 2 is the correct answer. 5 o'clock, Tanish. I changed the timing because during respiration, exchange of gas takes place in and alveoli of lungs. We have done 68 questions in 40 minutes. Thank you, sir. Now go for this one. Which is the correct sequence of air passage during inhalation? Nostrils, pharynx, larynx, trachea, alveoli. Larynx, nostril is not correct. Nasal passage, trachea is not correct. Nostril, larynx, pharynx is not correct. After nostril, pharynx should come. So D will be the correct. Yes. Pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchial. Vocal cord occurs in larynx. You people are not in mood to study. Trachea do not collapse when there is not much air because of the presence of ring-shaped cartilaginous rings. So B is the correct answer. We'll go for this question. Large quantity of the following is removed from our blood by lungs. Carbon dioxide and water. Water must also be there because water at the time of exhalation we are releasing water. We'll see this one. Which process occur in human body does not involve energy from respiration? What is the correct answer? Diffusion of oxygen from alveoli into the blood. Check this one first. This part is X. X is rings of cartilages. Bronchial and alveoli. So what is the question here? Bronchus is what? W is what? A. W is these answer. W is rings of cartilages. W is larynx. W is larynx. X is rings of cartilages. So here see, rings of cartilages X, W is larynx. That's one. D is the answer. Go for this one. The biochemical compound that readily combines with oxygen in the human body is water and hemoglobin. Next, the respiratory pigment in human being is hemoglobin. Next, the diaphragm shows, hey, this is a very complex diagram. You see 1, 2, 1 is going up here, this is 3 and this is 4. See, carries blood to body. 2 is carrying blood to body. 1 is giving what? Then again 4th is giving to body. Carrying blood from lungs 4 and third is giving to body. Blood from lungs, carries blood from lungs, carries blood from body. A is carrying blood from body. H-E-G. G. I'm saying G, wrong answer. Answer is wrong. Check on it. Answer is not correct. See everyone, please understand this one. First I am going to teach this one. See. That's it. Now look at this and this. Whenever you will see this one A and B, this is C and this part is fourth part. This section is the fourth part. So this fourth one now, can you check, boys, this is too much. Last time I told you, everybody. If you see that this is connected directly to walls and going out. This is directly connected to walls and this is going out. So 2 is going to carries blood from body to where it is present. Check here. Where is 2? Carries blood from body. 2 is carrying what? Blood from body. Understood? Now here A is going to lungs. A carries blood to lungs. Understood? Second part is, see, always remember 2 is bringing blood from body and giving to lungs. Got it? Now 3 carries blood from
To body.
3 is giving blood to body. This is giving to body. And this is collecting from lungs. This is collecting from body. And this is collecting from lungs. Are you understanding? Lungs giving, body giving. Outside going. Going to body, going to lungs. Understood? So going to body and going to lungs. So whenever upper region you are seeing, this is going to lungs. This is going to body, LV. Understood? This is coming from body and this is exactly coming from lungs. Yes, lungs. This is coming from lungs. Fourth is coming from lungs. 2 is coming from body. Remember this part. Otherwise, you will do mistake. Which chamber of human heart contains oxygenated blood? Left atrium, left ventricle. Upper part? Idiot. Oxygenated blood. Right side. Right atrium and right ventricle. Hey, nicely you people are confusing. This is your right and this is your left. Which is oxygenated? Left. Your left, your right check, not mine. Your left, your right check. Now say your left, your right, what answer is coming? My right, my left, no, your left, your right. Is it your left or right? Now also say left. Your left atrium and left ventricle is oxygenated. Right part is deoxygenated. Go for question number 79. Question 79, answer fast. Come on, go for this question. What they are telling here is, please, options are here. Which of the following statement is true? Left atrium receives oxygenated blood from different body parts, while right atrium receives deoxygenated blood from lungs. So A statement is wrong. Left ventricle pump oxygenated blood to different body part, while right ventricle pump deoxygenated blood to lungs. This part is true. Left atrium transferred oxygenated blood. This is wrong. Right atrium receives deoxygenated blood. Correct? And different parts. So answer is 2 and 4 is correct. So answer is C. 2 and 4 correct means answer is coming as C. Good evening, Ashwan. You were late. Now come on, go for question number 18. 80. Question number 80, go for it. The correct, see, what is the correct route of blood flow in human? Right atrium, right ventricle, then it will go to lungs. From lungs, left atrium, left ventricle. This is the correct answer. Starting from right. Starting from right. Go for question number 81. Go for question number 81. What is the 81 correct answer? Blood vessels which pump the blood from the heart to entire body's arteries. Arteries are exactly letting the blood go from heart to different body part. So the correct answer is A. The correct answer is A. Go for question number 82. Blood vessel carry blood from lungs to heart through pulmonary Oxygenated one. So pulmonary vein. B is the correct answer. Question number 83. The table shows the character of blood in one group vessel of the body. What is the characteristics of one blood group from the body? Come on, say. Wrong. Question is not what is doing too much? Can you focus in class? The table shows the characteristics of blood in one blood vessel of the body. Which table shows? Oxygen concentration high, carbon dioxide concentration low, pressure is high. Which blood vessel contains bloods which of this character? Oxygen concentration is high. Aorta is the one which is carrying oxygenated blood. So blood pressure will be, oxygen concentration is high. Carbon dioxide concentration is low. And in aorta, the blood flow will be high. Understood? Very high. So yes, the correct answer will be A. Go for 84 question. Which of the following statement is correct about human circulatory system? Valve ensure the body does not have blood flow, backward blood flow. Correct? Oxygen rich and blood mix. Correct answer is C. Because it is talking about valve. Valve prevent the backflow of blood. Absolutely correct. So those who are saying C as answer, they're absolutely correct. We'll go for 85th question. What prevent backflow of blood inside the heart? That is valves in heart. A. That is correct. Go for this question. Do this one. This is exactly challenge question for you. Now look here. The diagram represents a part of human cell where is blood pressure highest. See the one which is coming out of heart going to body. This is going to lungs and this is going to body. The one which is coming out right now only few minutes before. See what this I said. The one which is coming from body is 2. Are you understanding? The one which is coming from lungs is 4. The one which is going to lungs is 1. The one which is going to body is 3. Understood? So this is exactly going. Third one. So third one is called as what? B. B is what? They're telling highest blood pressure. The one which will go from
Heart to body.
yes. So heart to body B is only going now. So highest blood pressure is there. Heart to body going is highest blood pressure is there in that only. Go for this one. Which of the following vertebrate heart does not pump oxygenated blood? That is species and amphibians, amphibians and reptiles, amphibians only and species only. This question I will also use. The correct answer is only species. Amphibians will never. Amphibians are having mixed blood. Amphibians are having 3 chambers. Species are having. This is there in syllabus. They never taught, no? Very good. Blame your father, no? Single circulation, that is blood flow through the heart only once during one cycle of passage through the body. Exhibited by just now we have done hippocampus, exocytus and another. This question already came in board exam. This is CBSE exemplar question. Choose the correct statement that describes arteries. Choose the correct statement that describes arteries. I see that don't say. So you need to remember this part. They have thick elastic walls without valves. Understood? And the flow under high pressure it is there, and they carry blood away from the heart to different body parts. So these are most important part for arteries. Understood? Not? These are the characteristics of what? Arteries. Now we will go for this one. Question: veins can be differentiated from arteries. Because of
They have
they have valves. They have valves. Valves prevent the backflow of blood. Now do this question. The site of exchange of waste, nutrient, gases and hormones between the blood and the bodies are taken place in capillaries. Definitely the capillaries are the one which is exactly having this. Now we will go for the next one. Instrument used to measure blood pressure is sphygmomanometer. This one, BP machine is this one. Next is in the cardiac cycle, diastole is diastole. Diastole is the relaxation period after contraction. Systole and diastole will be there. Systole and diastole will be there. Diastole, please remember, systole, that is high pressure. Diastole is relaxation. When systole is under pressure, diastole is relaxation. So answer is 4. The relaxation period after contraction of heart is coming under. Now normal blood pressure is 120 and 180 mm of Hg. 120 and 80. 80 is minimum, 120 is maximum. Which of they indicate hypertension? 149 is considered as hypertension. The blood dash cells which plug the leakage in the vessels, that is platelets. Name a circulatory fluid in the human body other than blood. Lymph. Plasma is present in blood. RBC platelets are part of blood. Name a circulatory fluid. Lymph. Lymph is a circulatory fluid like blood. Understood? So lymph color is red because of hemoglobin. But they are not having, they are colorless. Yeah, either yellow or yes. Which of the following is responsible for transport of water and mineral from root to aerial part? Xylem. But the function that xylem. Check. Carrying sugar, xylem will not do. Carrying water, xylem will do. Carrying mineral, xylem will do. Giving support also because most of the cells are dead. So definitely answer will become D here. The answer will be what? D.
Century.
Next one, the process in which loss of water takes place in the form of water vapor. That is transpiration, absolute. Next one, the process of transpiration in plant help in absorption, upward conduction of water and minerals. That's absolutely. C is the correct answer. Now, which of the following is not a purpose of transpiration? Supplies water from photosynthesis, help in translocation of sugar in plants, cools leaves to surface. These two are there. Transport mineral from soil to all parts. A. Transportation. C part cools. A. Think very nicely. I will not say this. Think very nicely. No. A. Osmosis is one of the work here. They are asking A. Which of the following is not a purpose? See, supply water to photosynthesis is a purpose. This is needed. Cools leaf surface, osmosis, needed. Transport mineral from soil to, this is needed. That means this part is not needed. Understood? The diagram shows part of the following. Where does the most transpiration takes place? Upper or lower? Lower section of the leaf will be having transpiration. So B is the answer. I told you yesterday only, na, one part will do photosynthesis. The movement is the food is translocation. This part answer. Match the following. Phloem, transport of food.
Plant gets floating up.
Transport of water.
Veins deoxygenated.
Veins deoxygenated blood.
Veins
So where is the answer? Kidney, that part everybody will know. This part question. Structure and function unit of kidney. Well done everyone, 99 pages. And that too, 99 questions in 59 minutes. Yes, we finished 108 questions in
Second 1 hour.
1 hour. We finished 108 questions. Well done, everyone. That's it for today.